So first of all, what do we mean by formative assessment? This is a term that we hear used a lot in classrooms, and sometimes I think we need to go back and review exactly what it does mean so that we can be sure that we understand its meaning and how to use it and when we use it. So formative assessment monitors student learning to enable us as the teacher to provide ongoing feedback. It takes place at the start, during, and at the end of a lesson. So formative assessment is throughout the lesson. It's crucial to include formative assessment as it checks you have planned an appropriate and relevant lesson plan. Because it may be that you have started a lesson, but actually through your formative assessment, you realize that the learners are not where you thought they would be, and they're going to struggle with the lesson. So if you're doing formative assessment techniques throughout the lesson, that gives you the potential to be able to adapt and change the lesson to suit the needs of your learners right then. Because we've all been in lessons where we've started, but it didn't go the way we thought it was going to go. We realized there was a gap in the knowledge somewhere. Or sometimes they know more than your learners know more than you thought they knew. So actually what you need to do is you need to accelerate the learning. You need to change, adapt your lesson to do more than you had planned. But formative assessment is really important to use throughout your lessons.